Hey everyone, like, how's it going there from wherever you are in the now moment? Eternal, effervescent, fluffy, illuminant, fluorescent, special, economic awesomeness of the divine divinity, timelessness, wherever you are right now. Nah, I'm joking. But yeah, I'm an awesome soul. This is who I am. I don't go by a name anymore. I'm just kidding, I do. Got you again. Okay, let's start over again, for real. So yes, I am a beautiful divine soul just like you. How are you today? How are you right now? How are you tomorrow? How are you yesterday? Yeah, I actually say things like that to people, like, how are you tomorrow? How are you yesterday? Say it regularly. I just love getting your reaction. Today someone stopped while walking, we were buying our strawberries from. She's like, anyway. So yeah, what was I talking about? Yeah, in this video, anyway, my name is Owen Fox, and in this video I just had a thought I wanted to share with you, and that is, like, because I've nothing to lose, because I'm already kick-ass, and I know I'm kick-ass, and I know you're kick-ass, divine, beautiful souls, remember, of peace, love, and joy, and because I've done, I guess you could say, I've done some personal healing and maturity, I can just be myself like 1,000%, even though that's not really possible, isn't it? Get my calculator. Hold on, so I'm getting my calculator and my dirty toilet roll of purpleness. So yeah, I was going to say, no, I haven't had any caffeine, I haven't had any chocolate, I haven't had any coffee, I haven't had any hallucinogenic entheogens, like such as magic mushrooms or psilocybin or nothing like that. No sniffing, no inhaling DMT, no drinking an ayahuasca potion from the Amazon jungle sent over with expedite post. All I have is a bit of raspberry ripple ice cream to look forward to. It's organic and it's vegan. Yeah, so anyway, getting to the point of this video, I thought I'd be quick and clear and to the point, but something else took over me. So just driving, making sure I'm safe. Yeah, like, I can just be myself. Like, I've nothing to prove, I've nothing to lose, and therefore I'm free. That's it. Because I've nothing to prove and I've nothing to lose, I can be free. I can be myself in all of my divine beauty and sovereignty. Whatever my mood takes, be it just a bit like silly off the charts like this video, which I'm not usually like this, or it could be just feeling pissed off and angry, or like at something, feeling agitated, or it could be feeling like sad, upset, stressed, and challenged emotionally. Or my more typical ways, I'm just feeling like pretty good in general, you know, without much stress or anxiety or fear, and just general quite a predominant amount of inner peace and quite a lot of happiness for the most part, and satisfaction or fulfillment for the most part, for sure. Feeling very pretty to very blessed, grateful and appreciative, and having beautiful friends that are conscious and wise and mature and basically all older than me. I'm going to eat my wooden spoon because I've no spoon, and using my wooden knife. But yeah, it's really important because when I was younger, and you can see it in other people, you may notice this within yourself, when you do feel like you have something to lose, like you could be rejected or abandoned or left out or kicked out or knocked off the team or laughed at it, and just, if you feel you can be, when you feel like you have something to lose, or what was I saying earlier, nothing to lose and nothing to fear, kind of something else. But when you have these things where you feel you have nothing to prove, where you feel like maybe you're not good enough, then you feel like you have to kind of prove yourself, like you have to try and like put it in an argument and a demonstration that like you're good enough, like you're worthwhile, like you are to be liked or valued. But I already feel that way. I already know that. Like I said, like my friends are all solid, conscious, wise healers, guides, teachers, and souls. I'm 39, but they're all like you know, at least like typically 44, 45, 49 or 50, another one's 49 or 50, or 51 or 52, then there's a 68, my mum is 71, I'll throw her into my friend list, a shaman healer 68, and the rest of them are like, you know, really awesome people. Like when I was in my 20s or teenage years, I was in a state where, especially my early 20s, not my late 20s really, my very early 20s or teenage years, I'm like trying to be something or trying to be somebody, or like trying to flaunt my feathers like a bird, trying to attract like a mate. You ever see any of those birds like flaunting, doing a little dance to impress the woman? Or the peacock, you know, just, you know, that type of thing. But when you're fully happy in yourself, like I am, it's nothing to prove and nothing to fear losing. Like, people love me, people like me, and the people who might think nobody thinks anything of me otherwise, really. Like, obviously some people who are not as knowledgeable as me or not as experienced in many ways, still in their ego and pain body and the programming and conditioning of society, they might think, for example, walking barefoot is strange, but obviously it's the most natural thing. It's as natural as a baby being born without a big metal forceps, which is totally unnatural. Shoes are absolutely unnatural. Yeah, I wear them sometimes, of course I do, like runners. But if somebody thinks that having birth and taking it, like just all unnatural practices are normal, and someone who is natural is strange, that is a complete 100% reflection of their consciousness, not the person that they're observing. It's their belief system and their perception is what's on display for me or anyone else who's wise enough to know that, to recognize. So anyone's behavior is a total reflection of them, not to whom they're behaving towards. Like one person could run down the street naked, or one person could like get angry, and 10 different people could all respond very differently. So it's not the event, it's the person's perception, thoughts and beliefs and state of consciousness, basically speaking. So because it just feels really good to be happy and joyful with myself and ourselves, and to be confident and strong and happy and empowered. So then you're just in a position of power and strength, like you're on a pedestal, you're on a pillar, but not above others, but yeah, not that you're above others, but you're not below others. You're equal, and you don't feel inferior. I don't feel inferior to anybody, and I can easily recognize where people are at with their consciousness and maturity level, their self-development, their self-healing level, how heavy, dense and messed up they are, or how light, free, sovereign and living in their hearts with love and light they are. So it's just like inner work and raising our frequency, like basically raising our job is to raise our consciousness as a light worker, as a light bringer. I won't say light warrior, because we're not warriors, nothing about war. It's about shining and being the light that we are, a light bringer, a light shiner. I think sometimes it's important to distinguish the little words too, you know. But yeah, I suppose I better go now. But yeah, it's been fun to chat, you know. It's been fun and pleasurable to share my little thoughts with you, my big thoughts and my medium thoughts. Yeah, I hope you're having a beautiful day. Lots of love from Ireland for me in the here and now, the effervescent, the luminous, brand new, shiny, bubbly, fizzy beautifulness of the now. I hope you have a gorgeous day, and if you'd like to befriend me or connect or collaborate or do any interviews on social media, just check out my links below. Befriend me on social media. Yeah, all my details are there, as well as my books, audio books and video courses coming up on healing yourself, healing your life, healing your relationship, and healing your family dynamic, and healing your ancestral line. That'll all be out in 2021. And yeah, if any coaching on these matters, that's available by me too, working as a helper and a healer. And yeah, all my videos are on Odyssey and YouTube at the moment, so make sure you share and subscribe. And thank you so much for sharing and supporting my work. Honestly, from the bottom of my heart, that's meaningful activity, and I appreciate that very much. Help others. And thanks for all the love and the comments and the goodness, the positive focusing on me. Thank you so much, and you're awesome. I look forward to connecting with you more in the future.
And of course, I always often forget, I have a herb store to help people's health, higherselfherbs.com. There's also a coupon code in the description below. So yeah, connect, collaborate, all the sort of stuff. And if or when you do subscribe, make sure you hit the always or all bell button. Otherwise, you'll be censored if you're on YouTube. It always makes me laugh. Good old censorship from the big techs. All going down the drain down there, getting flushed down the toilet. See you, lots of love.